Hello, I'm Rajat. This is the given passage. The question is, the author believes that the spate of suicides by student is solution. Now after going through the passage, we find that option 2, which says, result of a collective apathy on the part of parents, teachers and society towards psychological needs of weak students, provides overall broad comprehension of the passage and hence would be the correct one. Other options do not fit in as they are incomplete. So the answer is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Rajat. This is the given passage. The question is, which of the following statements is erroneous? Parents shift their ward to another school because solution. Now, option 4, which says the child needs to work in a scholastic environment that is more compatible to his or her intellectual and psychological level, can be regarded as earnest due to the reason that the basic school shifting exercise owes itself to failure of parents to understand the intellectual and psychological needs of the child. So, we can say that option 4 is earnest and would be the correct answer. Answer is option 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Rajat. This is the given passage. The question is, the term gullible students suggests that students who resort to suicide. Solution. Gullible means easily persuaded to believe something or credulous. Now if we come down to the options, we find that what's said in option 3 provides a logical and complete explanation as compared to the other options 1, 2 and 4. Hence, 3 is the correct answer. It says, develop a misconception over the years that they are not worthy enough for their family and society as a whole. So the answer is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Rajat. This is the given passage. And the question is, with which of the statements the author is likely to agree the most? Solution. Now if we take reference from the passage here, which says suicide by students do not take place all of a sudden. Parents and teachers are all aware of the mental state of such gullible students who are prone to take their lives. Parents are partially to blame for not reacting in time. Teachers need to provide the psychological reassurance to those who are weak in their studies. Continuing further, and we must all accept that all students cannot excel and some will have to remain laggards, and we should not accept that all our children would perform par excellence. Parents' expectations from the children must be reasonable and they must all strive to ensure that they survive the mental agony which they have to undergo in the present educational system. Now we find that what's said in option 1, it says failures need the support and attention of their parents and teachers much more than those who perform well, sounds most appropriate. Other options with this reference do not fit. So other options, they are opted out and hence option 1 is the correct one. So answer is option first. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Rajat. This is the given passage. The question is, the author conveys the idea that solution. Now if we look onto the options, we find option 4 which says psychological reassurance and pertinent guidance can avert failures and consequent suicides would be the best option among the given options, as it is advice borne out by the passage. Also, it can be inferred or verified from the reference in the passage where it is said that teachers need to provide the psychological reassurance to those who are weak in their studies. And also, parents must provide them the extra guidance and support even if children have to repeat another year. So, we can say that the correct answer is 4th. Other options are ruled out. So answer is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे